Nancy, good morning. Today we are here to present our science exhibition project titled Carbon Purification for Factory Industries. As we all know, industries and factories are major causes of air pollution. They release harmful carbon gases like carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide in the atmosphere. These gases cause global warming, climate change, breathing problems and serious health issues. So the biggest question is, can we control this pollution before it reaches the air? And the answer is yes. That is exactly what our project is based on. Carbon purification means removing harmful carbon gases from factory smoke before they release into the environment. Our model shows a simple, low-cost and effective purification system that can be installed in factory chimneys. Now I would like to explain how our projects work. First, air from smoke from factories come into this purification chamber instead of going directly into the air. Then in this chamber we use activated carbon which has high absorption capacity for carbon gases and impurities like SPM. Then this filtering chamber filter the carbon impurities and after that the clean air will come out from this hole. This reduces major significantly health risk like lung cancer, asthma. It helps in reducing carbon emission. It supports the fight against global warming. It is eco-friendly, affordable, and practical. It improves the air quality and public health. It is and it can be used in small as well as large area. If this project is implemented on a large scale, cities will have cleaner air, carbon footprint will be reduced, and industries can grow without harming the nature. This proves that development and environmental development can work together. Through our project, we want to give a clear message. Industries are important for development, but protecting nature is even more important. Carbon purification is not an option anymore, it is a necessity. Thank you, respected judges, for giving us this opportunity. We hope our project inspires a cleaner and greener future. Thank you.